Okay, take number three. Fenris Air Base has been taken over by the enemy, so that means they're creeping up on the south part of the island, and they've begun using it. The reason why we don't call in artillery is because then we might lose all the work we've done in actually building it up. It's a standard airbase where there's walls all around and one helipad and soft and hard parking over here. It is well defended V60. There is lots of barbed wire that you have to get through. In here, inside of the hangar, is where the commander would be cooped up, or potentially somewhere else in inside the perimeter. But it is difficult to get to it because if you come from the seaside, then it would be difficult to. We would stop up here at the long wall, and we would. It would be hard to peel them back. If we come from the north of the trees, they are really well defended by all the towers, and the line of sight into the base is not that great. So that should be an interesting little mission, the Fenris Air Base.